Tropical storm warning now in effect for Bermuda as Hurricane Sam is on approach. As you can see on the satellite right here, we can the eye is nearly structural. If this part right here and part of the southeastern part of the eye fills in, it'll be circular right there. So we have the latest advisory out on Hurricane Sam. Tropical storm warning now in effect for Bermuda. Tropical storm warning means tropical storm conditions are expected somewhere within the warning area within 36 hours. For storm information specific to your area, please monitor products issued by your National Meteorological Service. So, Bermuda, I would keep an eye on your national whatever National Meteorological Service you have over there. So, yeah, as of 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the eye of Hurricane Sam was located near latitude 23.6 degrees north, longitude 60.9 degrees west. Sam is moving towards the west at 14 miles per hour, and a turn to the north-northwest with an additional increase of forward speed is expected tonight. A turn towards the north is anticipated on Friday, and a northeastward motion is forecast to begin on Saturday. On the forecast track, this core of Sam will pass to the east of Bermuda in early Saturday. Maximum sustained winds still are at 145 miles per hour, so this is a very powerful hurricane that has expanded in size. So, yeah, still a Cat 4. Some fluctuations in intensity are expected during the next couple of days, but Sam is forecast to remain a major hurricane into Saturday, with more significant weakening anticipated in the weekend. Hurricane force winds still extend out 60 miles from the center. Tropical storm force winds extend out 150 miles from the center. That explains why that tropical storm warning was issued, because it's within that 150 miles from the center of the hurricane. Minimum pressure has fallen even more to 938 millibars, so that's pretty interesting. So, with hazards affecting land, wind, tropical storm conditions are expected on Bermuda beginning Friday night or early Saturday. The swells generated by Sam will impact the northern Leeward Islands and Greater Antilles, including Puerto Rico, during the next few days. Swells are expected to reach Bermuda and the Bahamas by Friday and then spread into the United States East Coast by this weekend. These swells could cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions. Please consult products from your local weather office. So, if you're in Bermuda right now, I would start making preparations for tropical storm conditions. You're basically going to get the same conditions you got when you were impacted by Hurricane Larry, so it's not going to be too bad, but I would still prepare for the worst. Here's the 5-day cone. Right here, it is updated tropical storm warning right there. You can see it. It is expected to remain a major hurricane until sometime it's Saturday, and then it's expected to weaken to a Cat 2, and then to a post-tropical cyclone with hurricane force winds by Tuesday. So, that's the latest on the cone on Sam. We can confirm that with the tracks we have right here that were issued not too long ago. So, yeah, this is the models are in pretty much close agreement throughout the next 72 hours. Although some split off, having it closer to Newfoundland than Newfoundland, while the rest just have it moving away from Canada into a post-tropical cyclone, then moving towards the north-northeast. So, Bermuda is right here. You're going to see tropical storm force impacts, so once again, prepare for that. All right, now to the intensity of this system. There's been no changes to it. Still, a weakening still anticipated. Still anticipated to get down to a below major hurricane status by the end of the weekend. It is still expected to be, with some models now going down to tropical storm strength, down 5.5 days. And some going out a week have it going down to low tropical storm strength. The COTI has it just crashing to a tropical depression in nothing in 108 hours or 4.5 days. That's probably not going to happen, but if that's the case, then thank God it does. So, yeah, we're going back to Hurricane Sam. We're going to go ahead and play this satellite. You can see the structure of this hurricane is very well organized. You can see that eye becoming nearly circular. Please excuse that. And you can see if it fills in a little bit more, then we're going to see it. So yeah, this is what we're looking for right here. Those two fill in, it'll be near circular. So yeah, I'll be keeping a very close eye on Hurricane Sam as it approaches Bermuda. If you are in Bermuda, start making preparations for at least tropical storm force winds. this hurricane isn't going to be anywhere near. It's probably not going to be hurricane force winds, but if the hurricane does wobble more towards the west than we really want it to, you're going to get some stronger winds. So keep in mind that your tropical storm warning is now in effect for you guys, and start making preparations right now, as their conditions are expected to arrive by tomorrow evening or early Saturday. And I'll be keeping a close eye on it. So if you're in Bermuda, just stay tuned for more updates. Everyone else, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more updates.